coming in, the Adani Group and Brazil's Embraer have signed an MOU to establish India's first final assembly line for commercial regional jets under the Make in India initiative. The partnership was formally announced today. It will enable assembly of Embraer's 70 150-seat E-jets in India.
It is with immense pride that I announce that Adani Defence is today entering into a landmark partnership with Embraer, one of the world's foremost aircraft manufacturers. Together, we will establish a regional aircraft manufacturing facility in India and a one-of-its-kind aviation ecosystem, a project that will redefine the future of aviation in our country. This partnership is more than just a business agreement. It is a vision taking flight. It represents India's determination to build world-class aviation capabilities on our own soil, aligned with the national mission of Atmanirbhar Bharat. India is the fastest growing aviation market, yet millions in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities remain underserved. Regional aviation is the bridge that will connect these communities to opportunity. With this facility, we will produce aircraft designed for shorter routes, making flying accessible, affordable and reliable for millions of new passengers. These aircraft will ensure that no part of India is too distant to be reached and no dream too far to be pursued. The Adani Group brings India's entrepreneurial spirit, industrial scale and commitment to innovation. And Embraer brings decades of experience in regional aviation, proven technology and a global reputation for excellence. Together, I'm sure we will create a synergy that not only serves India, but positions our countries as a hub for regional aircraft production and export to the world. This initiative will generate thousands of jobs, nurture skills, and create a resilient ecosystem of suppliers and innovators.
Embraer is very proud to stand here today. We're very pleased to go and sign our MOU with Adani. We see a big future ahead of us here in India, and we believe the stars are aligning to connect the initiative for the Make in India. We believe there's a huge opportunity here with regional aircraft, and I would like to have my few minutes that I have with you here to share a little bit of background of Embraer and why we see this as such an important market for us together.